Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay?
For her,
We love you guys.
to be operated this morning. But because of the nurses hearing that you're coming to Ahoda today, they were discussing and say, our deputy governor is coming to Ahoda today. This man likes Ahoda people. At the hearing of your name, the woman shouted and said, the God of Nation Wike, let me deliver safely. The God of Nation Wike, let me deliver safely. Your Excellency, 3 times the woman mentioned your name. She delivered. A passing baby boy. Lord, praise the Lord. Your Excellency, that was your name. They came this morning and they say they want to name the boy in your name. I said, no, don't do that until I hear the confirmation of Your Excellency. Your Excellency, make her.